Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So I just made myself a cup of coffee and I'm just gonna have that right now. I've been up for a few hours, but for some reason today I'm kind of feeling a little bit like I'm dragging. My energy is feeling a little bit like I just want to lie down and relax, and plus I woke up this morning with a terrible headache. Don't know where it came from. It just kind of pounding every now and again. But I'm gonna watch it for the course of today and see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have some coffee right now. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys something I just received, a package, and I'm really excited about it because I've been working on this for about a month now, and I finally received the package today. I wasn't even expecting it today. I was expecting it more like Friday, but yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys my package that I got in the mail today. My husband just went into the kitchen, guys, so that noise you're hearing, it's actually coming from there. So I'm just gonna give it a few minutes and wait until he's finished, and then I can go ahead and show you guys the products. So as you guys see, this box is totally filled with hair extensions. I have wig caps to make the wigs. I have the wig grips, and it's just like a lot of stuff that I bought so I can put several nice styles of wigs together, and I'm really extremely happy about starting. So I'm just gonna put these to wash because I always wash the materials before I go ahead and make the wigs. So I'm not gonna even take out all of it right now. I just want to show you guys some of the items that I have in the box. Take this a little closer so you guys can see what's going on over here. So we have braiding hairs there, wig caps. So I'm really happy they came now so I can start cleansing the materials. I'm gonna just wash these normal and let them dry in the sun, and I'm gonna also soak the braiding hairs with vinegar like I normally do, and shampoo them and condition them, etc. So they'll get enough time to dry, and I can even start making wigs like even tomorrow or even by Friday the latest, but hopefully by tomorrow I can start making wigs. They just made me some food, guys, so this is going to be lunch for today. Here's some sausage, some sweet pepper, broccoli. I cooked this broccoli and this carrot last night, so you just warm them up and put them to the sausage and the sweet pepper. And I have some dark bread here with cheese. I really shouldn't be eating right now because I want to do a try on of some dresses that I bought and show you guys what they look like. So maybe I should wait until after I eat. But yeah, I'm just gonna taste up a little bit before. Get into the try now and show you guys the dresses. Now I want to show you guys the items that I bought. Some of them I actually tried already, like these from I saw it first. I tried these on already. I did not plan to film a video with them or anything. I actually wrapped it back to send it back to them. I'll explain that in a few seconds. And then this package is from Shein, and both of these companies, it's my first time buying from both of these companies. So in terms of the quality and what to expect with the quality, I did not really have so much of an idea. Anyways, I don't like the items at all from I saw it first. I must say that before I get into it. I find the quality of their products atrocious. So gonna show you guys them right now and you can tell me what you think. But for me, they didn't cut it at all. I bought 2 pieces and I paid £30 for them, and I'm not going to be paying €17 to send back something that I bought for £30, which is something that also annoys me about this site, because even if I wanted to keep the items and I just wanted an exchange based on the size, etc., I would have to pay so much to send them back. They don't include return shipping cost. I was searching for a white hoodie for quite some time, and then I saw this one and I saw it first. I was thinking, yeah man, I finally got it. And when I received the item, this is what I received. I've never bought a hoodie that felt like this. The fabric feels extremely bleached and just really thin. It doesn't have that soft plushed texture that a hoodie normally comes with. It's just fabric, it's just horrible. I really don't like it. I think it was about, I don't even remember, I tried to put it somewhere on the screen, but I buy hoodies around this price all the time, and I usually get really good, nice plush looking hoodies. You would never tell that they were that cheap when you see me in them, but this one is just like a total disappointment. This floral dress, and I tell you, on the side this dress looks so bomb. It looked so beautiful. I was just picturing myself walking through somewhere in this one, and you can't even see it on the camera. I don't even know why it's not able to show on the camera. It's a poor sewing job. If you look closely at the stitches, you can see that it's just not properly sewn. It looks extremely cheap, flimsy fabric. If I were to wear this somewhere, I would definitely need to alter it. It would be like me making over the dress. But if you're someone who maybe have skill with making or altering stuff, you could maybe put a lining underneath it, or just maybe, I don't know, you just need something. I think it just needs a makeover with maybe a totally different texture fabric. It's just something is just wrong about it, and I just can't really put a finger to it, but it just doesn't look anything like on the site. It's just a way cheaper and poorer quality than what is on the site. At this point, I really don't even remember what I bought from Shein. This feels really nice from Shein. I've never bought anything from Shein, so I really don't know what to expect. It does look a little bit big, but yeah, let me try this on. Oh, this looks really nice on. This is the top of it, and this nice little V cut. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It looks so cute. Of course, I could size down, because this part is supposed to kind of hold under your breast like an empire bust line, but it's kind of loose right now, but I don't mind it. I kind of like when my clothes are not too tight on me. So this is what the full length of the dress looks like. I just think it's so pretty. It's so cute. So I got this in a size medium, so a small would fit just perfectly, I think. And I was even wondering if the length would be extremely short, but as you guys can see, it's not so short. This is what the next dress looks like on. Really nice and flowy, and this one I could also get in a size small. I don't know why I just thought I was a medium but sometimes when I buy stuff, I buy them in medium, like I said, just to ensure that they're not too tight. Yeah, it is a bit loose. I think I might need to take this in a smaller size. You guys can tell me what you think about the fit. I really love the dress. I think it's such a nice, beautiful, simple dress, but it's not bad. I think I could even wear it in this size, but I'm wondering if I should get a smaller size. I'm really happy with my purchase so far from Shein. The length of it is also really nice, guys, and I'm 5'6.5" inches, or 169 centimeters, and I have long limbs, so I have long arms, long legs. I really love it. It's so pretty. This is what the arms are looking like. I'm so in love with this dress already. It's so beautiful and fits just right. Of course, the small would also fit in this dress. I think all of them I would be a small in these dresses, but I really like it. It's just a really pretty, simple embroidery onglay dress. I think it's my favorite so far. I think I would iron it before wearing it though, just to give it more of a crisp, clean, polished look. I also like these little bags that they put them in. Something that you can reuse to store stuff in afterwards. And this one has pockets. Fabric is pretty thin, and these are not real buttons, but it still feels really nice even though it's a thin. I'm not even sure how I feel about this one because this is a lot different than I normally wear. I don't wear so much prints or polka dots or stuff like that. I mostly wear maybe black and white stripes. But apart from that, I don't wear so much floral stuff, as I don't even know why I even bought the pink floral dress from I Saw It First, because it's not really my scheme. But I just wanted to kind of try something different and not buy so much flat, neutral, solid colors. That's why I bought that pink one, so I was really betting on it. But yeah, you guys know the story already. I will need to get used to this because it's not typically something that I would wear. But I think it's pretty nice. I really don't mind it at all. I'm not mad at all. And I think I did well with the size of this one. This one is a medium as well. I actually really like this dress. Still not sure about the color. Still not sure about the polka dot busyness that's going on in it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this dress. Anyways guys, it's getting kind of hot right now, so I need to turn on the fan. In fact, I need to go and do some German because I haven't done any German all day. So I need to go and learn. And yeah, I need to also take a break and just relax because my headache is still not gone. It's still here. It's not as bad as earlier, but it's still here. So I think I need to just take maybe an hour just to relax, do nothing. I don't know if it's the heat. I don't even know what, because it's been there all morning. So yeah, I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna do for the rest of today. Just gonna see how it goes. Hey guys, so I just finished up learning German and I really didn't do as much as I wanted to do today, but it's getting kind of hot right now, so I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna get ready, not really get ready, I'm just gonna get my swimwear and leave out, go over to my parents-in-law, spend the rest of the evening with my husband, just chilling, swimming, unwinding, and yeah, just having a good relaxing time. So yeah, that is it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.